Rogue Coder. Rogue Coder. It's kind of weird to say it all like that. Anyway, but it's by @DungeonBard. Hey guys, Game Hunter here, and we're looking at another game from the 7-Day Roguelike Challenge of 2013. The year is 2015. That's pretty close. I can imagine people watching this video and seeing that date. Anyway, and with the election of a number of ultra-conservative governments, programming has been declared illegal and all programmers have been jailed. Well, that would include me, I guess. You were the last hope for the programmers, code monkeys, software engineers, and developers. You were indeed the last free developer, but instead of staying out of jail, you were busting in one of the toughest, high-security tech prisons to rescue the great programmer Scott Hanselman. I guess a tech prison would mean one that has absolutely no electricity running into it, because anyone expert enough could probably hack anything at that point. If released, he's being held in the 4th level. If released, he will lead the restoration of software development. Are you up to the job, or is society doomed never to write another line of code again? Of course, you have nothing but your dignity, a head full of code, and a laptop. You can use your laptop to do lots of useful things in the prison, so don't forget the power of the code. Just remember the prisoners are your best source of support and knowledge. They are your friends in the dark art of development. Use them as much as possible, and they will certainly have an idea of how to escape once you reach Scott. You break into the prison and enter on the 1st level. So here we are. We got us, and I guess we can just move. Oh, wow, But we also have this laptop. Hoo-hoo, look at that. Sample loop, display hello world, connect, elevator lock, execute. Syncing with game server. Code has been run. Oh, what did that do then? Did I do anything? Sample loop. Oh, this is all comments. I guess I could try it. Oh, crap. It actually takes time to do that. Huh. That's neat. Loop end. So it takes time to type in the, but of course clicking with the mouse to move it stuff doesn't. I guess I could do this much and say hello world a bunch of times. Hello, 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 hello. It didn't say hello world though. Well, I don't know, but he rolled a 3, you lost life. I killed a guard. Sweet. I'm not killing this guard. Doesn't. Aw, man. You've been killed. Your attempt to rescue the great programmers failed. Society continues in the new technological dark age. Dang. Well, that wasn't smart on my part at all. So I guess we need to start over again. And yeah, the game kind of shows that stuff when you go start the game up. Excuse me. So I guess these are the guys. Connect, trigger, connect. Tigger Masters. Connect to any device by typing connect object password. They call me Tigger because I get excited. So what? Who doesn't get excited about code? You need to find a guy called Masters on level 2. If he's not there today, come back later on. Seriously, you need him. Okay. So you can connect using that. Okay, that's good to know. I'd love to know how to attack these guys, though, because it also seems like the game kind of loops itself every single time. Okay, so I killed that guy, and the other one just kind of disappeared into him. So, advice. Whoa, look at that. You can find lots of advice for this game if you only had access to a browser. Huh. Funny. I actually wrote this when I worked here in this prison years ago. Wrote Dominic's script. It's the language used for all prison computers to talk to various devices and objects. Remember to finish lines with a semicolon. And what about this? My favorite command is help. Hey, mine too. Let's try it. Let's also get out of there. Okay, sure. Let's help indeed. Let's run help. Code has been run. Oh, that didn't really work. Help display. Is it supposed to be in capitals? Should that matter? Here we go. Display text, no spaces. Display var. Oh, crap, it only holds out for that one bit, so I have to then read it and learn how to do things. Connect object or comment. Oh, this just says help for Dominic's script. So it has display var. This is the comments for it, so it's like Lua. Var int, var bool, connect, if connect display, loop, loop end, I guess to mark that it is done. So we basically have an iterative for loop. Execute an object and params help. I guess help is a thing that can be done. So, and then we have this, and that's each line is processed as one process step, a max of 10,000 for each program. Remember the sample code. Don't remove the 2 dashes for the actual comments lines, and make sure that the comment lines have passwords. I think passwords for any device is a number less than 500. So, for instance, does this get me to the next place? Oh, I think, yeah, that got me to the next place. Oh, barnacles. These guys are kind of doing stuff. Wait, how am I taking damage? How did I take damage there? Hold on. That was the weirdest thing. Why was I even getting hit there? Oh, come on. There we go. Start again. Okay. So what do you have? Oh, you have the same exact things to tell me this time. Huh. But again, it seems like I'm causing some damage to be had there. And I don't know why. But I killed them, and that's all that really matters. So that tells me about more of that, and it's the same sort of thing. So if we go to our laptop, right, display, connect, elevator lock. So for instance, I could do loop 500. Oh, that's why. Okay, right. The reason that it was moving is because I move when I do that. But I think it also takes time to just simply type things in. But for instance, I could go in here, connect. Wait. Can I say varint 1 connect elevator lock varint equals varint plus 1 loop end. Is that gonna work? Does it like that? No object called elevator. Oh, well, I guess there's no elevator lock then yet. But we should probably just go ahead and comment all this out in the meantime. Okay, so that's how that works. Anyway, on to the next floor. I still don't know what I can do though against these guards. These guards are kind of the nasties. Like I'm rolling horrible there. You've been killed, etc. Huh. How do I not be dead? I guess we'll start on playing easy. Because just... Did something move there? I felt like something moved when I did that. Huh. Okay, so I killed you guys, and now we just run all the way to the bottom because we've already seen everything that you say, so... On to the next one. Your weapon dice is D4. Like, how do I fix that? Love to learn the game. Ugh. Come on, I must defeat yous. Alright. So they only have one... Okay, good, I killed them all. So now I can learn about it this time. Prime numbers. So you have heard about my theory. I think all passwords are based on prime numbers. Okay. I know I wrote a great book a few years ago. It's about an alternate universe with men and women on opposite sides. I'm not sure it's common knowledge, but list objects is very useful. Oh, that is useful. Let's just try it right now. Let's go list objects and see what it tells me. No? Really? Huh. I was sure that was going to work. List objects. It didn't seem to want to work. You need to connect to a device before you can do anything. Some devices have passwords. Just use connect device name. Right, for password. All passwords here are numbers, and I think a lot have a default of 1, 2, 3. Master's idea about prime numbers is rubbish. Ignore that. Okay. You have varint for var name, var bool, and var string. To create variables, then to display one of them, use display var. Var name. Okay. Huh. So I can do that just to try things out, for instance. So I could say varint 1 display var int. Oh wait, no. hold on, like var int, and then we call it something like just thing, and then we say thing equals 5, I guess, and then we say display thing, right? Is that how that works? Is this, I wonder if that's Firefox being, hey, this isn't what it's supposed to look like. I really wouldn't be surprised. So let's see if that worked. A runtime index was out of range. Must be non-negative and less than the size of its parameter name index. Well, it didn't seem to like that. What if I just tried varint 1 and then display varint? Display varmint. No, it didn't like that either. Am I using that incorrectly? Is that varint, varname, right? Varbool and varstring. That's just the way that the cookie crumbles, but it's not wanting to do that. Like, I could call it just thing and then display thing. I don't have anything else in comments, right? Index was out of range. It doesn't even seem to like this first line. And if I use this, it's also a problem. Yeah. So varbool a name. Yeah, it still didn't like it. I wonder if that means the game isn't really. What about this? Does it like that? No, it doesn't like that either. So maybe, hold on. I need to make sure that this thing's working at all. Okay, technically it is working. It's just none of that. Is it because they're not in capitals? I mean, the original stuff isn't in capitals. It's just that. That shouldn't really matter, though, right? Oh, it's serious. It does? Okay. Then let's try that. Is it because I'm using the semicolon on the comments? Maybe that. Oh, maybe that's what it is. But that's kind of silly, isn't it? Yeah, it's. Oh, maybe I have to be like this. Ugh. Of course, that's what it would be, wouldn't it? Thing. List objects. Oh, I just anything. I don't care. I just wanted to name it something so that it would work. Show me what it is. No. List objects sample. I kind of wanted it to display as. That didn't really work then. List objects. A name list objects. See, I wanted it to display the. Oh man, come on, do the thing that it's supposed to be doing. I don't really get it. Well, this would take a lot more effort to spend. And are you gonna go into here? Connect. Do I actually have to connect with this thing this time? I'd like you to list. Well, let's try list objects just real quick. List objects. And run that. Nah, I didn't want to do anything with that. How about with the semicolon? Does it like that? Okay, so now it's working. Objects available, light, and elevator lock. And so now we do have the elevator lock. So, connect elevator lock. And then the password presumably is 123. Not connected. Man. Well, maybe I can just try this then. No object called elevator lock. Oh, I need to use that, right. Try this again. Okay. Connected. Yay. So now I can leave. I mean, what can I do with elevator lock at this point? I don't know. Oh, unlock elevator lock. So I guess maybe comment this out. And then there we go. Did it work? Did it work? I don't know. Is that supposed to work when it messes up like that? Perhaps, perhaps not. But I do need to remember to use the semicolon for everything, I guess, is the idea behind things. Because otherwise it just kind of, that's the white space checker. I mean, maybe I have to connect and then unlock it. Maybe that's what's going on. Connected, yeah, and then nothing else. Because it tells me unlock. Is it because it's in capitals? Do I need to specifically not have this one in capitals? I don't think the capitals even matter, to be honest. Maybe, yeah, it doesn't matter. So, can I also connect to the lights? 1, 2, 3 again. Just try that. So I connected in both cases. Can I then like display elevator lock? Just to show me what you have. You are an elevator lock, aren't you? Yes. Yes, you are. I don't know what else I can do, though. Oh! How about this command, GH? The one that everybody's been screaming at you the entire time. Goodness. Oh, man. Is false lock is... Wait, lock is false, lock is false, lock is false. What does that mean? So wait, if I just try it now, it just keeps telling me the same thing, that the lock is false 3 times. So maybe I have to do unlock elevator lock false? Does that make sense? I don't even know. I'm clearly not the genius wizard that everybody thinks I am. I mean, could I use like just comment these out for the time being? Help execute. So is that going to tell me how this works? Oh, darn it. It's kind of, yeah, I mean, that just showed the list of help commands again, but I don't know. Yeah, it says execute object params. Maybe execute elevator lock unlock. And we just get rid of you. And then try this again. No, it just says lock is false, lock is false, lock is false. Same is true if I just say execute elevator lock. False? Did I already try this? Felt like I already tried that. What does it mean that the lock is false? Does it mean that if I unlock it, I must say true? Is that what's going on there? That didn't seem to get me anywhere. Huh. Oh, now the game's becoming even more glitzy and blitzy. Cool command, yes, list objects, right. Prime numbers, yes, right. Not sure it's very common knowledge, but list objects is useful, right. I mean, I've learned these things, it just, yeah. Ignore that rubbish about the prime numbers. Huh. Yeah, connect, right. I just can't get past this silly elevator door here. So I figured out what the password was thanks to that guy. But now I can't unlock it, possibly. It just doesn't... Maybe I can just connect elevator? No, the only... Right, if I go to list objects, it tells me what all of the objects are. Objects available, light, and elevator lock. And then I connect to it using the 1, 2, 3. But then I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. Execute elevator. I mean, I don't know. Unlock. Where am I? Oh, there I am. I'm hiding behind the elevator. Maybe I can just say elevator. No, that didn't really seem to do anything. Just again, just help. Just read again what all the possible. Oh, whoops. Read again what all the possible ways of doing anything is in this. Display text, no spaces. Display var. Connect. If connect display. Var loop count. So what is this if connect display? And then like thing. So I could just say like var int thing equals 5. And then, oh whoops, darn, I have this up. That doesn't really seem to do anything then, huh? Well, I must say I'm kind of stumped, but I don't think I want to keep going with this one, unfortunately. So, my apologies to the developer. This isn't really a game where I can just spend half an hour staring at the screen trying to figure things out. So anyway, this has been Game Hunter playing Rogue Coder. Perhaps more of the programmatically inclined should take a gander at this to see what I've completely and utterly missed. But otherwise, just try to move and huddle over to the right corner of your mind and figure this one out. This one seems like a puzzling one until you understand the language properly. Anyway, until next time, keep playing those roguelikes, guys, and take care.